Bomdila Monastery Arunachal Pradesh, also known as Gentse Gaden Rabgyel Lling Monastery. Bomdila Monastery was built in 1965 by the 12th incarnation of the TsonaGontse Rinpoche and was rebuilt by 13th reincarnation. TsonaGontse Rinpoche renovated the monastery by building a larger prayer inside the Gompa. There is a huge prayer which is used by the lamas for praying. The temple of Buddha and a teeny quarter of monks. Apart from its religious significance, the monastery is also known for its natural beauty. Stunning vistas that you can see from here and fabulous and breathtaking. Whenever you plan to visit there at Tawang, you should at least 1 or 2 day plan to stay at Bomdila, and you will get to see this architectural beauty of this monastery. It is the halfway of Tawang. Even you can plan to visit here itself. It is the month of January when the Buddhist believer people are celebrating their yearly Losar festival. It is also the time to visit here with the all rituals, Buddhist rituals and colorful dresses and the newly colored monastery. All you get to see here at that time. And also this time, the month of August, September and October, you will get to see the clean sky and the cotton-like white clouds and the beautiful weather, neither too cold and nor too hot. You can take a stay here. There is also a hostel in this monastery. You can book it prior to your visit, and you can also stay there at Bomdila market. They are at nearest to the Buddha Stadium, central market of Bomdila. And you will get to visit here. You will get share car only at around 100 to 150 rupees for dropping here in this monastery from the Bomdila market.
Enjoy